When talking about community, you have to give people a vision. Hi, I'm Kiki L'Italien of AssociationChat.com, and this week I talk with Josh Hotsenpiller, CEO of JUNO, about why you need to give your members a vision for their community.
So vision leaks. It leaks in or out. There's an old saying: if it's a mist in the pulpit, it's a fog in the pew. And this is all about vision. This is all about where are we going and why does it even matter? And we're asking people to invest their time, money, and energy into us. And every human asks the same question: well, where are we going? And why does it matter? And I think one of the difficult things as a leader is we always have to be able to communicate back to our people the vision. Because the vision's should be always evolving. You know, if we're going the same place, how many of you have ever gone to vacation the same place year over year, and after a while you're like, I don't want to go there anymore?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? The same is true for organizations. I don't want to do the same thing we did before. So where are we going and why does it matter? And I always say this: if you went and polled 50 members and simply said, answer this question, where are we going and why does it matter? How consistent would those 50 answers be?
So remember, when you're thinking about how your communities function, think about giving your members a vision for why your community matters.